everybody, Dr. Hill here from Advanced Animal Care in Berea, and we're going to talk about some complications or risks of heartworm disease in dogs.
All right, what are the complications of heartworm disease in dogs?
Yeah, so ultimately the big one is that heartworm disease can kill your pet, and that's why a lot of veterinarians, or almost all veterinarians, are so adamant about heartworm prevention, is because it is a disease that can kill.
Are there risks associated with the treatment of each stage of heartworm?
So there are, but for me, I think the risks of maybe some injection site soreness, or having to do some exercise restriction or things like that with your pet, I think it's far better to treat your pet for the disease, unless they have a lot of other underlying conditions going on. But for the most part, I think it's much better to treat your pet for the disease.
So are there side effects to the medications used to prevent dog heartworms?
So a lot of times for our preventions, depending on which prevention you choose, it's going to be for the most part, the same as any medication. So maybe your pet has a sensitive stomach and you see a little bit of GI upset. If we're giving ProHeart here in the clinic, it's not uncommon to maybe a little bit of injection site soreness, just like when they would get a vaccine.
So my last question is, what are the risks if dog heartworm is left untreated?
So if we don't treat that heartworm, like I said, ultimately it could cause the death of your pet. And we definitely don't want that for your pet. And so, like I said, that's why we always recommend prevention.
Thank you.
You're welcome.